In this guide, I'll show you how to update Netflix on your Samsung TV. Updating the Netflix app on your Samsung TV ensures you have the latest features and fixes. Follow these steps to update Netflix. Begin by pressing the home button on your Samsung TV remote control. Go to the Apps tab located next to the Home option on the screen. Look for the Settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and select it. In the app settings, verify that Auto Update is set to On. This will ensure that the latest version of apps, including Netflix, are installed automatically. Browse through your apps and hover over the Netflix app. From the submenu, choose View Details to see the current version of Netflix installed. If an update is available, it will be displayed at the top of the screen. Select Update to install the latest version. Once the update is installed, restart your TV, and you will have the latest version of Netflix on your Samsung TV. Just ensure that you have a reliable internet connection and you have enough storage for the update. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.